Okay, guys, hi, welcome back. Kasturi, Manoj, hi, good afternoon, Manoj, Tushar. Okay, Ritvik, we are starting. Resume कर लिया बच्चे, we are starting. Okay, now first thing, यार ये monetize कर देना, please, thank you. Now, next ethical issue, next one. Gifts, bribes and kickbacks. Next one. Gifts, bribes and kickbacks. Look at gifts here. अच्छा, हर वक्त एक चीज ध्यान रखना, गिफ्ट और ब्राइब में बहुत बड़ा एक फर्क होता है. There's a very big difference gift and a bribe. Gifts are small presents for small presents for social relationship, last relationship. अच्छा, हम गिफ्ट किसको देते हैं यार? We don't give gifts to everybody. We give gifts only to special people. And the purpose of gift, हम gift क्यों देते हैं? Relationship, sentiment, relationships. Gift is not for an advantage. हम gift advantage के लिए नहीं देते. Gift is given for sentimental reasons, relationships. So हर वक्त ध्यान रखना. And bribes are given for an advantage. Bribe में होता क्या कि मेरे को भी फायदा हो रहा है, अगले को भी फायदा हो रहा है. So bribes are for an advantage. This is for relationships, sentiments. This for advantage. Bribe is always for an advantage. Kickback means commission. Kickback means commission. Kickback से मतलब है commission. मतलब मैंने आपको टेंडर दिलाया, बदले में मुझे कमीशन. प्री अरेंज मतलब पहले ही बता दूंगा मैं कि भाई मैं टेंडर दिला रहा हूं, इतना मैं लूंगा. दैट्स किकबैक्स. सरकार में टेंडरिंग बहुत होती है. You know, Ministry of Defense, the issues keep on, Ministry of Railways, Defense, they issue tenders. So kickbacks are connected to commissions. I am getting you this tender, in return, give me this much. That's pre-arranged. That's pre-arranged payment. पहले ही बात कर लूंगा, भाई टेंडर तेरे को दिला रहा हूं, मुझे इसका अगर 1000 करोड़ का टेंडर है तो उसका 10% मेरे को चाहिए. That's kickbacks, commissions. Bribe means, bribe छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है. So bribe is about this, advantage. Gifts is for relationship. Copy this. See, तीन चीजें याद रखना. तीन चीजें. Gift is for relationships. Bribe is for advantage. Kickbacks are pre-arranged payments. Copy this. रोहन, जय हिंद बच्चे. तेजस्वी, नो आई कांट सी योर मैसेज बच्चे. यार गर्म पानी प्लीज बोल दोगे? Relationships, advantage, pre-arranged payments. Remember this. Relationships, advantage, pre-arranged payments. हाँ प्लीज, थैंक यू. गर्म पानी देना. अच्छा ठीक है. अरे इसको भी ले जाओ यार, ठंडा पानी नहीं चाहिए मुझे. गर्म पानी दे देना. ठीक है, हाँ खाली गर्म दे दो. ज्यादा भी गर्म नहीं, पता ही है गुनगुना पीने के लिए. डन. कस्तूरी, थैंक यू. You know, these are all things. They'll give you match the following. Consider the following statements. They'll give it like this. And बच्चा गिफ्ट और ब्राइब में हर वक्त एक गलती करता है. See, gifts are never for an advantage. Have you noticed something? आपके मम्मी पापा when they go to somebody's house, किसी रिश्तेदार के घर जाते हैं, दोस्त के घर जाते हैं, सेंटिमेंटल रीजन के लिए एक पाव मिठाई ले जाएंगे, आधा किलो मिठाई ले जाएंगे, या बच्चों में चॉकलेट ले जाएंगे. There it's not advantage. इट्स ऑल अबाउट फॉर सेंटिमेंट. ब्राइबरी इज फॉर एडवांटेज. मैं अगर आपको रिश्वत दे रहा हूं तो मैं अपने फायदे के लिए दे रहा हूं. आप ले भी रहे हो तो अपने फायदे के लिए ले रहे हो. एंड द लास्ट एंड द की वन इज दिस किकबैक्स. दीज आर प्री अरेंज्ड पेमेंट्स. प्री अरेंज्ड टेंडरिंग में बहुत होता है. आई होप यू गॉट इट. ओके सर, गिफ्ट मी रोलेक्स वॉच. गिफ्ट मी रोलेक्स वॉच. एब्सोल्युटली. ओके राकेश कुमार जी, दीज आर अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस. ये विसल ब्लोइंग से कनेक्टेड नहीं है. सेपरेट टॉपिक बच्चे. This is not connected to whistleblowing. These are unethical practices. All right, chalo. Next one, intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights. Chalo. I'm coming to next topic now. I think I should be able to finish it. बड़े आराम से खत्म हो जाएगा. 1:34 तक I'll be able to finish it very easily. Very easily. Oh yes, some stories are also there. Some stories are also there. Intellectual property rights. What is intellectual property rights? Intellectual property is this: a category of property that includes intangible. Intangible मतलब जो चीज आप देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते. Mainly covers copyrights, patents, trademarks, creation of human intelligence. For example, अभी अगर आप इस लेक्चर को रिकॉर्ड करके बेच रहे हो, मेरे को नुकसान होगा. You know, this lecture which I am delivering, this is my intellectual property. आप किसी का गाना, A.R. Rahman's composition, that's intangible. देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते, but it's a property. So intangible. And this property is created by human intelligence. You know, property का मतलब नहीं कि पैसा और जमीन, gold, silver, all that is tangible. There's something called intangible. Intangible is this: human intelligence. Mainly covers patents, trademarks, and I have given cannot be seen, touched, can be easily appropriated, cost of reproduction can be easily appropriated. आप misuse कर सकते हो. You know, the problem with intellectual property is it can be easily misused. Tangible property is difficult to misuse. मान लो जमीन है. Just imagine I have a land. आप उस land को occupy करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. Whereas that's why appropriating land is difficult. मेरी जमीन को कैसे हड़प लोगे? It's difficult. But on the other side, appropriating intellectual property is very easy. आपने देखा कॉपी मार लिया. That's very, very easy. It's very easy. So that's why this part. That's why intellectual property needs protection. Copy this. अच्छा, try not to इससे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करना. दिस इज मोर देन इनफ. इससे ज्यादा इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी में पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं होगी आपको. दिस इज मोर देन इनफ. कीवर्ड क्या है? टैंजिबल. टैंजिबल मतलब समथिंग दैट यू कैन सी एंड टच. This may be little technical for you. Not technical, it sounds very legal. Actually, it's a legal aspect of engineering. Legal. That's the reason ये थोड़ा मुश्किल सा लगेगा आपको, but you'll get used to it. ए वेर आर यू गाइस यार? सब क्या आए नहीं क्या ब्रेक के बाद? क्या हो गया? सब शांत क्यों है? वेर इज शाकिब एंड वेर इज तुषार चंद्रा? तेजस्वी, आई जस्ट सॉ योर मैसेज, अदरवाइज आई वाज नॉट एबल टू सी योर मैसेज. रोहित पाल, रोहित शर्मा, कहाँ यार? Kasturi is only message which is very, very active. Shalini is not there. I don't know. आज मैसेज स्लो है लगता है बिकॉज आई चेंज माई स्टूडियो ऑल्सो. आई एम इन अ ग्राउंड फ्लोर स्टूडियो. Okay, done. All right. See, this may be little legal, but we have to keep it like this. We have to keep it like this. I'm going to explain the intellectual property one by one. And this will be something important. First, IPR can be divided into two categories. First is industrial property, second is copyright. Industrial property includes patents for inventions, trademarks, geographical indications, industrial designs. We'll cover this separately. इसको अभी बात करूंगा. Okay, nice. So most of you are there. Okay. Now understand something. हमारे लिए ये बहुत important है. Industrial property. Copyright is there, but since we are not dealing with softwares too much, so that's why copyright. So these are two categories of IPR. Two categories. One is industrial property. Second one is copyright. Copy this. This is important. This is important, and I'm going to discuss this. This is very important. Okay, Tushar, great. रितिका मौर्य, गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चे. रितिका आज पहली बार देख रहा हूं. रितिका मौर्य. रितिका, आई एम सीइंग यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. गुड मॉर्निंग. नाइस. रितिका. शौर्य, मैसेज आर स्लो. अभी मैसेज आ रहा है तुम्हारा शौर्य, एक एक करके. इट ऑल केम इन वन गो. बल्क में आया. Shakib, all good. Okay. रोहित, आज ज्यादा लिखना पड़ रहा है. रोहित, आज ज्यादा लिखना इसके लिए पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आज आप थोड़ा लीगल चीजें देख रहे हो. आज यू आर लुकिंग इनटू इंजीनियरिंग एथिक्स. आई रिपीट, यू आर लुकिंग इनटू इंजीनियरिंग एथिक्स. दैट्स व्हाई आज आपको लिखना पड़ रहा है. कल हम खाली एथिक्स और ह्यूमन वैल्यूज देख रहे थे अब तक. सो दैट वाज द इजियर साइड. ये थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन ज्यादा होगा. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर डीलिंग विद इंजीनियरिंग साइड ऑफ एथिक्स. इंजीनियरिंग साइड ऑफ एथिक्स. यार इतना ज्यादा भी नहीं है रोहित यार. गाइस, आई मीन रोहित बोल रहा बहुत ज्यादा लिखवा रहा हूं. सीरियसली रोहित, इतना ज्यादा भी नहीं यार. अच्छा रोहित, ज्यादा इसके लिए लग रहा है बिकॉज क्लास आज लंबी चल रही है. यू गाइस वांटेड मी टू टेक लॉन्गर क्लासेस. रिक्वेस्ट तो आप ही लोगों का था. ओके, नेक्स्ट आईपीआर चेन ऑफ एक्टिविटी. यू नो आईपीआर की शुरुआत कैसे होती है? चेन ऑफ एक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट इज दिस क्रिएशन. यू कम अप विद अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट और अ प्रोसेस. न्यू, नई चीज यू फर्स्ट क्रिएट, देन यू इनोवेट. इनोवेट मतलब या तो क्रिएट करो, इनोवेट करो, नया कुछ प्रोसेस बनाओ. इनोवेट, जो चीज ऑलरेडी है कुछ नया तरीका निकालो. इनोवेट. सो आईपीआर इज गिवन फॉर बोथ एरिया. क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू और इनोवेट. एग्जिस्टिंग चीज को सुधारो, इनोवेट करो फर्दर. देन उसके बाद यू कमर्शलाइज, यू सेल इट. Oh, Chat GPT is this only commercialized now. They created something, they innovated. Commercialize. Money. Next one, protection. You register it so that you are protected. Last one, the protection has to be enforced so that it's not copied. Music में लेते चलो. I create a new music. Oh, by the way. You know what am I doing? Ethics तो सब पढ़ाते हैं. But if you notice something, I am innovating teaching of ethics by introducing new stories. That's why this is my copyright. So that's why innovation is all about this. कोई चीज को करने का नया तरीका, समथिंग न्यू, दैट इज इनोवेशन. क्रिएशन मतलब बिल्कुल नया तैयार कर रहे हो. And since you are using your brains to do it, since you're using your brains to do it, you're using your mind to use it, you have every right to make money out of it. Commercialize तो करोगे commercialization. And since you commercializing it, आप market में उतार रहे हो तो it has to be protected. And protection का मतलब है it has to be enforced. The rights have to be enforced. Copy. That's a sequence of IP activity. Sequence. Okay, Rohit. Okay, Rohit. Rohit, I get your point now. Oh, yes. Guys, you have 1 hour more with me. That's it. After 1 hour, my class gets over, then you are on your way. मैं अपने रास्ते. I don't know you, you don't know me. That's it. फिर पता नहीं कहाँ मिलेंगे, किधर मिलेंगे. कहीं तो ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में मिलेंगे. एब्सोल्युटली. कस्तूरी, ट्रेनिंग में तो मिलेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं तो मिलूंगा. कहीं ना कहीं इफ यू क्वालिफाई, कहीं ना कहीं तो मिलूंगा मैं तुम लोगों को. पार्लियामेंट में तो मिलूंगा ही जरूर. व्हेन यू आर देयर इन पार्लियामेंट्री अटैचमेंट. ओके. IP is intellectual property. Arvind, IP is intellectual property. IP means intellectual property. Janta, bachas, IP is intellectual property. Okay, next one. Acha, why do we need intellectual property? Why IP means intellectual property? Why do we need protection? First, because कोई भी चीज तैयार करने में high expenditure is involved. High expenditure. You know, research, development, it requires a lot of money. It requires a lot of money. That's why it needs to be protected. Next one. Avoid free riding problem. Usage of property by others for free. लोग क्या करते हैं, आपने कोई चीज बना दी, लोग उसको कॉपी करके मुफ्त में यूज करेंगे. अच्छा, Indians are very good copycats. You know something? हम लोग wonderful. We are wonderful reverse engineers. We are wonderful copycats. So the idea is to prevent those free riders. It takes a lot of money, research to make something new. कोई कुछ चीज को बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत पैसा लगता है. So we need to have IP needs to be protected क्योंकि free riders बड़े सारे होंगे. And last is we need to make profits, boss. Everybody needs to profit. अच्छा, I'll just tell you something. Suppose I am a scientist. ध्यान से सुना. Suppose if I am a scientist, I work 12-13 years in lab. 12-13 साल काम करके I come out with something. I come out with a patent or a product. I come out with a product. जैसी प्रोडक्ट में आया, जैसी प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आया, I should be making money out of it. Because मेरी मेहनत है 13 साल की. But होता क्या है, जैसी the moment the product comes into market, people copy it and सस्ता निकाल दिया कुछ. So I'm under loss. All my 13 years of work has gone down the drain. That is why IP needs to be protected. Intellectual property needs to be protected. अच्छा, just imagine यार, इतना मेहनत से I do these slides and I collected the stories in such a long time. You know, all the stories that are narrated, all the cases that I narrate, it's not something from textbooks. These are my experiences. इतने सालों का experience है. And just imagine somebody just copies the slides and uses it. Because, I mean, the whole hard work of mine is gone waste. So that's why IP needs to be protected. IP needs to be protected to retain profits. So copy this. Yes, Jungshi, with hard work and constant effort, as student from our side, Destiny will, yes, we will surely meet. तेजस्वी तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी मत जाओ. We will meet definitely. Yes, Tejasvi. Tejasvi, मैं खाली क्लास से जा रहा हूँ बच्चे. I'm just going from the class. We'll surely meet in life. And by the way, when I come to Mumbai, we'll catch up. Okay. That's why it needs protection. Now, key IPs. Let's understand what is patent, what is industrial design, and what is geographical indication. Then we are done. Then we go to laws and codes. Simple. Companies copy design of Apple Watch and sell at a cheaper price. Yes, absolutely, Tushar. That's the problem. Achha, if you look at Microsoft Windows, इतने उसके cracked version मिलते, इतने cracked version. Any software is the most pirated of all the stuff. Okay, next, different types of intellectual property, different types. First one is patents. I'll explore this. We don't need to copy this. First is patent. What is patent? Patent is this: exclusive right granted for an invention, a product, or a process that provides new way of doing something or offers technical solution to a problem. Exclusive right. आपने बनाया, you have the right for it. You can use it, you can give it to somebody to use it. That's known as patent. See, exclusive means you have the right to use it. Or you can give it to somebody to use it. That's what is known as patent. And in India, patent is for 20 years. Patent owners, a term of patent in India is 20 years. After 20 years, it's open to the market. फिर तो कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है. 20 years. So patent is this. Exclusive right. Actually, there's one more thing what you can do. If the recordings are available to you guys later also, you can just listen to the recording at least 3-4 days before your ES exams also. That is, it will be a quick revision also. Sara नहीं तो at least important areas you can just listen to the lectures again. Remember something, exclusive, right? Exclusive. And how many years in India? It's 20 years. And once you're done, let me know, bachas. Achha, 13th Feb is the last date. Okay. हाँ उससे पहले एक बार at least the important areas, if you feel there's a certain area, you can just revise it quickly. Done. Okay, clear. Next is, what is trademark? Trademark is this: distinctive design which identifies certain goods and services produced by an individual or a company. Distinctive, that's trademark. You know, have you seen Apple logo? That's trademark. Have you seen L&T? L&T, that's a trademark. The moment you see L&T trademark, the moment you see the trademark, it's sign of quality. Oh, L&T का है तो काम सही हुआ होगा. Oh, Apple है, You know, trademark is a symbol of quality. The moment you see it's visible, आपको पता है, okay, this from Apple, this from IBM. So trademark. It helps consumers identify and purchase a product or service based on its quality and characteristics. So that's why companies are very protective about trademarks, because people associate product with some trademark. You know, we identify. So we are like, for example, Apple logo se we identify, okay, Apple. When you see Microsoft Windows, you see the 4 blocks there, Windows, we identify that with Windows. When you see Surf Excel, the way Surf is written, the colors, the combination, we identify. If you look at Coke, there's a certain color to Coke, there's a certain font mein likha hota hai. We associate it with the product. So that is what a trademark is all about. And lastly, trademark can be a combination of words, letters, numerals, drawings, symbols, shapes, packaging, color, hologram, all these things are a trademark. Simple. This is important. Last one is very important. Acha, font bhi include hota hai. Font. Just if you look at Coca-Cola, is written in a certain font. That font is also part of trademark. Aap font ko use nahi. If you see Surf, is written in a certain font. वो font को भी copy नहीं कर सकते. If you look at Pepsi, the color, the blue, and that color is also trademarked. Color, because ये सारे identification marks of product के. Tushar, we have. Okay. Shaurya Singh, patent time is reduced to 4 years as stored in ICT class. हो सकता है. हो सकता है. अच्छा, it may be patent time for software, not for industrial products. It, you know, अलग-अलग patents के अलग-अलग होते हैं. I'll check it also, बच्चे. अमित, टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला. अच्छा, 13 तक you have subscription, all right. This last part is very important. Trademark में क्या क्या चीजें include होती हैं वो पूछा जा सकता है. Words, letters, numerals, drawings, symbols, shapes, all that is part of trademark. याद रखना please. Letters. Okay, done. Chalo, let's go to the next one. दोबारा बोल रहा हूं, this will be very important. The last part, words, letters, numerals, ये बहुत important है. And next one, industrial design. Acha, have you noticed something? When you look at Rolex, the watch, it's a watch. Why is it so expensive? Acha, when you see Apple iPhone, या MacBook Air or Pro MacBook, यार, it's just a laptop. इतना पैसा क्यों यार? किसके लिए? What is the reason for that money? When you look at Omega watches, क्या किस चीज का? When you look at Nike, यार, जूता ही तो है. Adidas, जूता ही तो है. What is the money? मतलब why are they charging so much money? किस चीज का पैसा है? सोच के देखो यार, घड़ी घड़ी होती है क्या? किस चीज का पैसा? What is the money for? You know, we pay money not for the watch, we pay money for the design. The way the product is designed, उसको बोलते हैं industrial design. You know, Rolex, when you look at MacBook Air, it's all the aesthetics. The design, it's the aesthetics. You know, इंसान को कोई भी चीज aesthetic, aesthetic मतलब we should like the product. देखने में अच्छा लगना चाहिए. ठीक है, घड़ी तो खरीद रहे हैं. यार दिखने में अच्छा लगना चाहिए। आईफोन पकड़ने में लगता है कुछ आपने पकड़ा है, हाथ में अच्छा लगता है। मैकबुक एयर दिखने में अच्छा लगता है। एस्थेटिक्स, द कलर, if you look at Apple, the space gray, the colors, that is what, if you look at Nike के जूते, the color, the shape, the design, उसको बोलते हैं aesthetics. The color combinations, लोगों के color combinations, all that is industrial design. All that is industrial, ornamental, aesthetic aspect of the article, aesthetic. You look at this. इसको क्रिएट करने में कितना टाइम लगता है मालूम है? द गोल्ड, it's not chamkila gold, the blue, the hands, everything has to be done properly. Aesthetics, that's what this is, ornamental or aesthetic aspect of an article. The design consists of shape of the article, pattern, size, color, design applied to all, industrial design applied to products such as medical equipment, watches, jewelry, electronics, सब जगह. Copy this. Quality of service. All right. Process of manufacturing, Adinath. Okay. There's an important word, aesthetics. That is why it's the aesthetics, the ornamental aspect of it. That's why it's expensive. And बाकी लोग उसी को copy करते हैं. That's why we say designer goods, designer joote, designer chappal, designer kapde, because it's unique, aesthetic. Yes, golden ratio, golden arch ratio is a key to aesthetics, done very well. Yes, Shaurya, golden ratio, true. Once you're done, let me know, बच्चे. See, हर एक चीज का एक इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, सॉरी, ओहो, industrial design is about aesthetics. Okay, once you're done, let me know. Okay. Now, please remember a very important aspect. Industrial design. Design is a cue. Design is about aesthetics. Aesthetics मतलब चीज सुंदर लगनी चाहिए, जैसे this watch, Rolex and Philips का lamps and all. Okay. Next, geographical indication. अच्छा, when I say geographical indication, that means we associate a certain product with a region, geographical region. बनारसी साड़ी, वो साड़ी बनारस से है तो there is something unique about it. Darjeeling chai, the tea comes from Darjeeling, something good about it, something unique about it. दैट इज व्हाट इज नोन एज जोग्राफिकल। एक प्रोडक्ट एक जगह से आ रहा है मतलब उसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी। आई होप यू गॉट द आइडिया। Geographical indication, sign used in goods that denotes belongingness to of a goods reputation, particular geographical location. एक जगह से आ रहा है, that's why it's quality. It's coming from one place. Consume name of a place or origin of the goods. Name. Have most commonly used for agricultural products, Darjeeling chai, etc. Copy this. It's simple. It's simple. But they can give you this in a question and match the following. Geographical indication means since the product comes from a place, that's why it's unique. वो जगह से आ रहा है इसी के लिए it's unique. Yes, Maghai Pan. Yes, Shriya, Maghai Pan. Very true. Maghai Pan. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती है यार. There's बहुत सारी चीजें. मथुरा के पेड़े मशहूर है. So there's a lot of things like that. इलाहाबाद के अमरूद. So it's all varied. It's all varied. जैसे कांजीवरम सिल्क्स, कांजीवरम के सिल्क की साड़ियाँ. So it's all varied from. That's what this is. Shreya, Maghai Pan. Nice. Mysore Pak. Yes, Kasturi, Mysore Pak. Look at this, Mysore Pak. So you got the concept. समझ में आ गया चलो. Okay. Okay, next one. There are, okay, this is a separate topic now. It's a separate topic now. We have done with patents, we're going to talk about separate topic now. Acha, whenever an accident happens, whenever an accident happens, there are two kinds of responsibility we need to talk about. First is this active responsibility. हादसा होने से पहले, before the accident happens, you take responsibility. That's active responsibility. अच्छा, for example, don't take it personally. February 19th को, on February 19th, एक हादसा हो सकता है. एक हादसा हो सकता है. अभी अगर पढ़ लोगे वो हादसा नहीं होगा. उसको बोलते हैं एक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हादसा होने के बाद अगर आप ब्लेम करते हो किसी को, दैट इज पैसिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. पैसिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अप्लीकेबल आफ्टर समथिंग हैज हैपेंड. आफ्टर एक हादसा होने से पहले एक हादसा, इट्स अ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट सेपरेटली. See, it's connected to accident, but it's a very different concept, responsibility. Active means कुछ भी होने से पहले. Passive means होने के बाद. किसी को blame करना is passive responsibility. Active is before something happens, passive is after something happens. Before and after, pre and post. Rashagulla from Kolkata. Yes, Tushar. Amravati orange. Yes, French wines. Madurai Jigar Thanda. Oh, Karthik, you are from Madurai, so. Always remember, active is before, passive is. अच्छा guys, don't take it personally. I just gave an example February 19th. हादसा होगा, पढ़ लो अभी. Active responsibility ले लो. हादसा होगा नहीं. Active responsibility. Okay. Loss conscious. Now the last part of the course. Last part of the course. Laws conscience codes. Laws conscience codes. Muradabadi dal, Muradabadi biryani. Oh yes. Why Lucknowi biryani? Oh, Hyderabadi biryani also. Hyderabadi biryani also. Boss, उसको कैसे भूल गए? Hyderabadi biryani. Okay, next. Chalo. There's a last topic. Laws, conscience and codes. Laws, conscience and codes. Last topic है. चलो. Okay. Laws, conscience and codes. First one. Law and conscience. So let me tell you something. This is a very important area, especially the word conscience. Especially the word conscience. And ध्यान से सुनना. ध्यान सुनना please. Law guides you from outside. Law also guides you. Conscience also guides you. Law tells you drive your car on the left hand side. Conscience something else. Conscience something else. Conscience something inside us. You know, there's something inside you that tells you what is right and what is wrong. That is conscience. Law bahar se. When you see a police wala, that is law. When you see a red light, that is law. So law is outside. Look at this. They both guide you. Similarity dekho. Source of guidance. They both guide you. They guide you by telling you what is right and what is wrong. Law also tells you what is right, what is wrong. Conscience also tells you what is right and what is wrong. Sahi kya, galat kya. That tells you both. It offers practical guidance. Practical, it tells you what you can do. What you can do. कर क्या सकते. अच्छा इस वक्त I'll tell you how it works. इस वक्त आप इस क्लास में बैठे हो. कुछ लोगों को लग रहा है यार क्या यार 12:30 बज गए यार, बुड्ढा सुबह से पका रहा है, लॉग आउट करने का मन कर रहा है. जैसे ही आप लॉग आउट करने का सोचते हो, अचानक कॉन्शियस अंदर से एक आवाज आती है, भाई मत कर, 1 घंटा और है यार, पढ़ ले, नहीं तो हादसा हो जाएगा फरवरी में. गाइड्स यू. प्रैक्टिकल अभी. इट गाइड्स यू इन प्रैक्टिकल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेड लाइट देखा, जंप कर, नहीं रुक जाते अपन, रेड लाइट है. दैट इज प्रैक्टिकल गाइडेंस. प्रैक्टिकल गाइडेंस मीन्स व्हाट यू कैन डू. इस वक्त क्या करने वाले हो. इट गाइड्स यू देयर. So they both guide you. But there's a difference. Law is external, outside the actor. Conscience inside, within the actor, within. Outside, internal. Copy this. कोलकाता दम बिरयानी टू. ओ यस, कोलकाता दम बिरयानी. यार आज तुम लोग मेरे को सही में, तुषार, you'll guys will make me hungry now. You're talking so much of biryani and khana. I'll seriously get hungry. कोल्हापुरी चप्पल, यस मनोज, कोल्हापुरी चप्पल, मनोज को कोल्हापुरी चप्पल याद आ गया, ओके। श्रेया सर ये तो बहुत कम है, हमारी क्लास 10 आवर्स की भी हुई है। यार इतना मैं तुम लोग को तंग नहीं करूंगा श्रेया, 10 घंटे तो नहीं पकाऊंगा तुम लोगों को यार, प्लीज। 10 घंटे कुछ ज्यादा हो गए यार। यार आई लाइक टू कीप इट वेरी, इतना भी नहीं। रत्नागिरी का हापुस, यस तेजस्वी, रत्नागिरी का हापुस, यस अल्फोंसोस। Okay, now let's see. Conscience, the notion of law. Understand what is law, what is conscience, what is codes now. I'm sure you must have copied this. Acha, this is external, this is internal. External, internal. All right, Manoj and Shreya, thank you for saying कि मैं पका नहीं रहा हूं। मनोज एंड श्रेया तुम दोनों के अलावा बाकी सबको तो यही लग रहा है क्या यार। बट लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग, यू विल रिमेंबर मी लाइफ में आगे, वंस यू बिकम ऑफिसर्स, कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ ना, यू विल रिमेंबर मी, अरे यार सर ने बोला था क्लास में। बहुत लोग दे कम बैक टू मी लेटर, 2-3 साल बाद, अरे सर ऐसा आज ऑफिस में हुआ, आई रिमेंबर्ड आपने बोला था ऐसा कुछ। काम की चीज, ओके चलो डन। नेक्स्ट वन, लॉ। लॉ इज फॉर कॉमन, नॉट फॉर प्राइवेट गुड। लॉ सबके लिए बराबर है, लॉ इज काउंट फॉर एवरीबडी, लॉ इज काउंट फॉर एवरीबडी। लॉ मस्ट बी फिजिकली एंड मॉरली पॉसिबल टू ओबे लॉ। यू नो समथिंग, हम लोग लॉ क्यों तोड़ते मालूम है? अंडरस्टैंड दिस, वी ब्रेक अ लॉ बिकॉज अपने को लगता है it's not morally acceptable. It's not morally. I'll give you an example of it. Physically and morally acceptable. You know, one of the most common laws college के बच्चे जो break करते हैं, most common law kids break is helmet law. Campus में कई बार I notice kids सुबह बाइक से आते हुए हेलमेट साइड में होगा, लड़कों के बाइक में हेलमेट साइड में होगा, शाम को जाते हुए हेलमेट सर पे होगा। तो मैंने एक दिन उससे पूछ लिया एक से कि भाई चक्कर क्या है, सुबह आते हो हेलमेट साइड में, शाम को जाते हो हेलमेट सर पे होता है, चक्कर क्या है? लुक एट व्हाट द बॉयज सेड। वन ऑफ द बॉयज सेड, सर सुबह बाल खराब हो जाता है। आई सेड शाम को जिसने देखना था देख लेती है। मैंने बोला ये क्या बकवास है? बोला हाँ सर, यार सुबह सुबह सर बाल खराब, यार बुरा लगेगा ना उसको, जो देख रही है उसको बुरा लगेगा, इसके लिए हेलमेट साइड में, शाम तक तो सब हो गया ठीक है। क्या बात है ना। एक बाबा, एक और बच्चा, कुछ बच्चों को ज्ञान देने की आदत होती है। लुक एट हिम, मैंने उससे पूछा भाई तेरे साथ क्या दिक्कत है, हेलमेट क्यों नहीं पहनता? लुक एट व्हाट ही सेड। ही सेड सर मेरा सर अगर एक्सीडेंट होगा तो मेरा सर टूट रहा है, भारत सरकार को क्या लेने देना? खर्चा पानी मेरे पापा देंगे, दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेड, व्हाई इज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया बॉदर्ड? सो क्यों पहनूं मैं हेलमेट? Morally unacceptable. Morally unacceptable. So law must be physically and morally acceptable. Two big conditions. Physically it has to be acceptable and morally. So copy this. Then we continue. अगर हम ऐसा लगेगा कि आप पका रहे हैं तो फिर हम ही कुकर हैं। ऑल राइट, विष्णु यू हैव माय फोन नंबर बच्चे, Vishnu, you have my phone number. All of them have my phone number. Okay, shall I go to the next one? Okay, done. Chalo. Now I'm coming to something very important. And listen to this carefully. Conscience. Conscience. Conscience means there's something inside you. Look at this, what conscience is. Something within us, something inside us. You know, there's something within you which tells you what is right and what is wrong. That is conscience. I'll tell you a small thing. You know, हम अपने आप से बात करते हैं. आपके अंदर एक आवाज है, आप अपने आप से बात करते हो. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज रात को टुनाइट जैसे ही आप लेटते हो, यू विल नॉट, खाना वाना खा के पढ़ाई करने के बाद जब आप लेटते हो, यू विल नॉट फॉल asleep इमीडिएटली. आपको इमीडिएटली नींद नहीं आएगी. There's a gap of say 5 to 7 minutes. 5 से 7 मिनट लगेगा जरूर. Now in that gap of 5 to 7 minutes, suddenly there's a voice inside you. There's a voice inside you tells you, बॉस आज वो एक्स्ट्रा सुट्टा नहीं माना चाहिए था, वो सही नहीं किया तूने. भाई आज तूने उसको हेल्प किया ना, बहुत अच्छा किया तूने. You know what are you doing? You're judging your own actions. Suddenly you feel what you did is right and what you feel is, that's what is conscience. अच्छा, forget others judging your action. दूसरा जज करा छोड़ो, हम अपने आप को जज करते हैं. अच्छा, बुरा मत मानना. All of you know right now where you stand. आप सबको पता आप कितने पानी में हो. दुनिया को झूठ बोल लो, जितना बोलना है बोल लो, अपने आप को नहीं बोल सकते हो आप. That's your conscience. And you cannot run away from your conscience also. It's inside you. Right now you know what you're doing. That's conscious. Something inside you which judges your actions. It keeps telling you, भाई ये कर, ये मत कर, ये तूने सही नहीं किया, ये तूने गलत किया. All that is conscious. Something within you. Okay. Conscious is a special act of mind that comes into being when intellect passes to judgment. It's a judgment. It's a special act of mind. Here, conscience is not gut feeling. You know, love at first sight is gut feeling. कैंपस में होता है आप लोगों के साथ. आपने किसी को देखा झट से कैंपस में, हाँ, that's love at first. That's gut feeling. Conscience is not gut feeling. Conscience is your mind, collective experience that tells you क्या सही है क्या गलत है. Copy this. Oh, Rohan, that's so sweet. Rohan Chaudhary, thank you, बच्चे. That's so sweet. Guys, have you finished writing? Okay, done. Okay, Kasturi, thank you. Now let's understand what is conscience. Conscience is not a feeling or an emotion. I'm going to gut feeling you the conscience. Gut feel. Acha, copy this, then I'll explain. Copy the slide, then I'll explain. For a change. आप copy करो फिर explain करता हूं. So that you are able to follow much better. Yes, जागरूकता. You know, जागरूकता या चेतना, whatever. Ekta, it can be anything. You copy this, then I'll explain it in one go. Have you finished it? Done. Okay. Chalo. All right. And please don't take this personally. अच्छा, conscience, आपकी अंतरात्मा, conscience comes into play. क्या लिखा है? Comes into play is a practical judgment about morality of either past action about to occur. You know, conscience comes into play in two situations. अब इस वक्त what you're about to do, present, past, future में नहीं. जैसे शाम को 5 बजे आप कुछ करने वाले हो, उसमें कॉन्शियस प्ले नहीं है, देयर इज नो रोल फॉर कॉन्शियस. इनफैक्ट आफ्टर 2 आवर्स इस वक्त का प्लान बना रहे हो कि 2 घंटे बाद मैं ये करूंगा, हो सकता है नहीं भी करो. दैट्स व्हाई कॉन्शियस विल नेवर कम इनटू प्ले इन फ्यूचर एक्शंस. कॉन्शियस कैन कम इनटू प्ले इन प्रेजेंट एक्शंस. अब इस वक्त घर में यार 1 बज रहा है, घर पे खाने में खुशबू आ रही है, बड़ी जबरदस्त बिरयानी की खुशबू आ रही है, क्लास भी चल रहा है, सो मन कर रहा है यार 5 मिनट जाके खा के आ जाओ, लेकिन अंदर से आपकी एक आवाज आती, नहीं यार खाना बाद में खा लियो यार, खत्म होने वाला है. प्रेजेंट एक्शन. यू नो, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि सपोज सम ऑफ यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग कॉफी या चाय, एक एक्स्ट्रा कप चाय पीने वाले तो सडनली अंदर से एक आवाज आती, भाई नहीं यार बहुत पी लिया, छोड़ दे, रहने दे. दैट इज प्रेजेंट एक्शन. प्रेजेंट, इस वक्त. कॉन्शियस स्टॉप्स यू इन प्रेजेंट एक्शन. एक होता है past action. Conscience comes into play in past actions. See, this is my last half an hour with you, so ध्यान से सुनना and don't take it personally. You know, a lot of you are taking this attempt for the first time. पहली बार ले रहे हो. First time you're taking it. So, first attempt में होता है, थोड़ा पढ़ा, थोड़ा नहीं पढ़ा, थोड़ा मस्ती मारा, क्लास 2x पे देखा, कभी क्लास का लेक्चर मिस कर दे, क्या ठीक है. You take your first attempt, it's okay. You take your first attempt, चलो दे दिया, and you do not qualify. Then you take your second attempt. Parents are supporting you. You take your second attempt. And you did not qualify again. Now, as you start preparing for your third attempt, parents are supporting you. As you start preparing your third attempt, certainly inside, your mind will start rewinding things and starts telling you, भाई 2 साल पहले किया क्या तूने? पढ़ा क्यों नहीं तू? मस्ती क्यों मारा तूने? उसको बोलते गिल्ट, पछतावा. आपको सडनली योर माइंड विल स्टार्ट, योर कॉन्शियस स्टार्ट रिवाइंडिंग, all those things, All those days when you watch things on 2x, when you are just मस्ती मारा, घूमा फिरा, तब अचानक अंदर से बोले यार पढ़ा क्यों नहीं तू? उसको बोलते गिल्ट. यू वायलेट योर कॉन्शियस. अगर आप अपनी नहीं सुनोगे पछतावा होगा जरूर. इसी के लिए कहा होता है अब पछताए क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. अब पछता के क्या फायदा. गिल्ट. यू वायलेट योर कॉन्शियस. गिल्ट. एंड अब गिल्ट से भागने आप अपने आप से कहां तक भागोगे. यू कैन नॉट. ओके लेट मी शेयर समथिंग. गिल्ट. लेट्स मीट दिस बॉय. He's a very famous physics teacher in Shimla. Very famous physics teacher in Shimla. Look at the kids. कितने ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं. Very famous physics teacher in Shimla. He's a former IITian. IIT का पढ़ा हुआ है. And suppose if I say he's a murderer, that's his jail uniform. He's serving a life sentence. Adarsh Kendriya Karagar Shimla, that's his jail uniform. He went to one of the best IITs. 4th year प्लेसमेंट हो गया. हैड अ गर्लफ्रेंड. प्लेसमेंट के बाद पार्टी करनी थी. गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ ही वेंट टू शिमला. पैसा थे जेब में. बुक टू कॉटेज. दबा के पार्टी की. बिकॉज खुश था भाई. 4th ईयर प्लेसमेंट हो गया. लाइफ इज सेट. गर्लफ्रेंड भी है. सब कुछ सेट. पार्टी रियली हार्ड. दोनों ने जम के दारू पी. दे बोथ गॉट ड्रंक. एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग ड्रंक दे बोथ हैड एन आर्ग्यूमेंट. एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट कुछ ज्यादा बढ़ गया. बंदे ने पी रखी थी. गुस्से में बियर की बोतल उठाई. बैंग. द गर्ल डाइड ऑन द स्पॉट. अब जैसी वो मरी ही रैन टू यमुनानगर हरियाणा. पुलिस कॉट अप. पकड़ के ले आई. ही वॉज ट्राइड, सेंटेंस्ड. राइट नाउ इज सर्विंग अ सेंटेंस. एंड वंस ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू पुलिस ऑफिसर्स. ऐसे पढ़ा लिखा आदमी है. सो वी इंटरेक्ट विद दीज kind of prisoners. Once he was talking to police officers and police वालों को he was just sharing his experience. He was telling the police वालों को बोल रहा था सर मेरी सजा, my punishment is not the jail. My punishment is not the jail. I can handle the jail. Every morning I go out, spend time with kids. I forget things. जैसे ही मैं शाम को वापस आता हूं, the moment I lie down, my punishment begins. He says I cannot sleep. बोलते जैसे ही मैं लेटा हूं, the moment I lie down, my mind just rewinds. It just rewinds. It rewinds 5 minutes of madness. It just plays at 5 minutes, 5 minutes मैंने क्या किया, it just keeps playing that. It goes in loop. उसको बोलते guilt. He says, sometimes I feel like cutting, गला काट के अलग रखने का मन करता है, but you cannot cut your head off. That's a punishment. Guilt. अरे छोड़ो अगला क्या यार. You punish your own self. That punishment is known as guilt. Because आप अपने आप से नहीं भाग सकते हो. You cannot. That's conscience. लॉ से भाग लो यार. You can run away from law. कानून से भाग लो. कोई फर्क नहीं. वो सब बॉलीवुड के डायलॉग कानून के हाथ लंबे होते हैं. Run away, don't bother. अपने से कहां तक भागोगे. अपने से कहां तक. Because you know yourself the best. Take a lesson from me. आज के बाद ऐसा कुछ भी मत करना where you start suffering from guilt. Because guilt can be very, very depressing. Guilt can lead to extreme stress. And guilt can even drive a person to suicide also. Guilt can be so difficult to handle. पछतावा बहुत बुरी चीज होती है. Let me tell you that. That's conscience and guilt. I hope you got the idea now. Chalo, let's move to the last topic now. Codes. Conscience का first slide, Sony, it's here, बच्चे. Sony, conscience का first slide. Conscience का first slide, बच्चे. Okay, now codes. Codes are foundational documents. क्या लिखा है? फाउंडेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स. अच्छा, आप सर्विस में जिस दिन आ जाओगे ना, कोड्स विल प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. कोड्स आर फाउंडेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट हेल्प्स यू इन व्हाट? पब्लिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. आपको सरकार में कैसे काम करना है, इट टीचेस यू दैट. सी, लॉज फॉर सिटीजंस, codes are for engineers. And second part, codes explain unacceptable behavior. What is, and it tells you क्या चीज आप कर सकते हो, क्या चीज आप नहीं कर सकते हो. It's easy, copy this. Codes are very easy. 2 words ध्यान रखना. Foundational documents. Second, unacceptable behavior. What is unacceptable teaches you that. Copy this. Karthik, sir, as you said, guilt and regret are very difficult to handle. Yes, it's very difficult to handle, Karthik. That's why I try to live a life which is where you're not guilty about anything. It's very difficult, but possible. Amit Yadav, are you there? Amit, Tushar Chandra. Arey, Joseph is also there today. Gurdeep, Satvik, Soini. Macbeth by Shakespeare. Yes. Arey, Shaurya. I'm seriously impressed. Shaurya quoted Shakespeare. Nice. It's very rare to find an engineer who talks about Macbeth. Great. Shaurya, I'm impressed. Satvik, noted. Chalo. Okay. Guys, Shaurya just quoted Shakespeare. It's very, it feels very nice to see an engineer quoting literature. Nice. I'm happy. Okay. Next one. Purpose of codes. What's the purpose of codes? Codes ka purpose kya? First purpose is this. Provides guidance. Provides guidance in doing evil and avoiding good. That's the first purpose of code. Second purpose of code. It explains the standards of behavior. What are the standards that are expected of you? Standards of behavior. So copy this. I hope you guys are listening to me. मुझे लगता आप लोग सुन रहे हो. मैंने अभी बोला doing evil and avoiding good. Actually, it should be doing good and avoiding evil. सुन नहीं रहे हो आप लोग सब. कोई नहीं. होता है. You guys don't listen. Rohan, you heard? Okay, all right. Rohan, you're the only one who heard? रोहन बट थॉट इट वॉज अ मिस्टेक. नहीं 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 यार, मैं ऐसी गलती नहीं करता. आई ट्राई टू टेस्ट योर लिसनिंग. आई डोंट मेक सच मिस्टेक्स. ठीक है, आई मेक मिस्टेक्स, ऐसा नहीं है, बट इतना नहीं. ओके सर, मेरा इंटरनेट चला गया था, वाईफाई चल रहा है, मोबाइल से लॉग इन कर पा रहा था. ओके हाँ ऋत्विक, आई जस्ट शो द लास्ट स्लाइड. लॉ एंड कॉन्शियंस के बाद के स्लाइड दिखा दीजिए ना. ओके लॉ एंड कॉन्शियंस का बाद का स्लाइड ये है. Guys, I've just gone back. Ritvik, I'm just showing you the slides. You can take a picture. Conscience is this. Ritvik, you can take a picture, bache. It's okay. It's okay. Nishta, I know that you're writing. I know most of you are writing. I know that. Ritvik, take a picture, bache. Okay. Codes. Purpose of codes. Next purpose of codes is this. They provide guidance and decision makers dealing with situative values may be in conflict. You know, codes help in value conflicts. Codes help in value conflict. You know, codes help in situations when boss tells you to do wrong things. Arey nahi boss. Rohan says I am the ultimate boss. Rohan Chaudhary bhai, I am not the ultimate boss. Bhai is the ultimate big boss. I am not the ultimate boss. Bhai is the ultimate big boss. Bhai will be very happy. Okay, chalo. They define ethical conduct. These are very simple points, but in your exam, they may just confuse you. The purpose of codes is this. They help you in value conflicts. They help you in defining ethical conduct. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. It tells you क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, all that. Nishtha, I'll do that, बच्चे. Nishtha, I'll do that. Okay, done. Okay. All right. Ritvik, thank you, बच्चे. Purpose further. Okay. Codes of ethics are written to guide behavior. Now the key part is this. Key part. See, this is the one which you may get in your assertion reasoning. This one, ये वाला. You know, codes tell you, codes का main purpose here है workplace appropriate behavior. Listen to my 3 words. Workplace appropriate behavior. आप अपने ऑफिस में कैसे बिहेव करोगे, कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट में कैसे बिहेव करोगे, शॉप फ्लोर में कैसे बिहेव करोगे, उसको बोलते हैं वर्क प्लेस अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर. Codes can guide us, induce workplace appropriate behavior. What's the right behavior in a workplace? How not to behave in a workplace? That's a key word. Workplace appropriate. सही गलत को छोड़ो ना, workplace में कैसे behave करना. That's the key part. That's why we give you codes. Copy this. Workplace appropriate behavior. Rohan, codes are for everybody. Codes of conduct are there for IAS officers also, IPS officer. Everybody has codes of conduct. सबके अलग अलग होते हैं, but सबके everybody has codes. Everybody has codes. Yours will be little different. Why? Because technical है आप लोग. IAS का अलग होता है, IPS का अलग होता है. Revenue service का भी अलग होता है. Done. Okay, Kasturi, Amit, thank you. Chalo. Next one, purpose of codes further. Acha, codes. Acha, there's again one more important one for this, for assertion reasoning. You know, codes are not meant for bad people. Codes are not meant for bad people. Codes are meant for guiding good people. अच्छा, आप कितना भी रूल बना लो, जिसने शैतानी करनी हो करेगा जरूर. आप कितना भी रूल बना लो, जिसने ब्राइब लेना है, he will find a way to take a bribe. That's why codes are not meant for bad people. Codes are meant for only good people. जैसे स्कूल में होता क्या, अच्छा स्कूल में दिवाली के पहले देखा होगा यार, दिवाली के पहले must have seen this in school, कि एक हफ्ते पहले से बोलना शुरू कर देंगे, क्रैकर्स आर नॉट अलाउड इन स्कूल. एंड कितना भी सख्ती कर लो, आप बच्चों के जेब चेक कर लो, बैग को चेक कर लो, कितना भी रूल इंप्लीमेंट कर लो, जिसने बम फोड़ना होगा स्कूल में, ही विल फाइंड अ वे टू ब्रिंग क्रैकर इनसाइड स्कूल, टेक इट टू द वॉशरूम एंड ब्लास्ट इट ऑल्सो. So when somebody wants to take a bribe, no codes will stop anybody. So that's why we say codes are meant for good people, not for bad people. Codes are meant for good people. Dhyan rakhna, good people. Copy this. Assertion reasoning. Codes are meant for good people. Copy this. Nishta, thank you. Please remember this very important part. Codes are not meant for bad people. Codes are meant for good people. यस ऋत्विक, सब जगह वही हाल है. अच्छा, सरकारी दफ्तर पर लिखा तो होता है रिश्वत लेना और देना दोनों जुर्म है, दोनों अपराध है. गिविंग एंड टेकिंग अ ब्राइब बोथ आर पनिशेबल ऑफेंस, बट स्टिल पीपल डू दैट, क्योंकि जिसको लेना है वो तो करेगा ही करेगा. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स मेंट फॉर गुड पीपल. चलो, द नेक्स्ट वन, कोड्स ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट. Codes of conduct are guidelines for responsible behavior. They're detailed and prescriptive. You know, detailed codes of conduct. आप कैसे, prescriptive मतलब tells you. Prescribe. Prescriptive means prescribe. It prescribes the right behavior. प्रिस्क्राइब करता है कि आप ये कर सकते हो, ये चीज नहीं कर सकते हो. लास्ट वन, expresses values and norms for guiding behaviors and help in decision making. That's what a code of conduct is all about. Last, they supplement law. I repeat, they supplement law. They don't replace, they supplement law. Copy this. Copy this. सर बॉम्ब अगरबत्ती लगा के रख देते थे लोग, असेंबली में सब ग्राउंड में होते and suddenly bomb blast in class. Management cannot punish him. How clever at that time it was. Hilarious. Yes, Shaurya. That's why I said you guys are really smart. Sir, you talk about school students, college students, and public servants. Sir, do you worked in all? Karthik, you forgot Karthik. I was in school once. I played all the roles, Karthik. I was in school once. I was in college too. So I know kids are kids. Okay, can I move? Is it done? Okay. Nishtha, you have a perspective. Chalo. I think you must have copied this. Chalo. Last one. Now, engineers are required. This is a key one. अच्छा इसके बाद after this slide you don't have to copy too much. You just have to listen, understand. ठीक है? Please remember, not everything is about copying. After this slide, you don't have to copy things. You have to understand things. ठीक है? Because I'm going to talk something very specific about engineering. Engineers are required to follow codes formulated by three. One is Professional Association of Engineers. Have you heard of ASCII, American Society for Civil Engineers, American Society for Mechanical Engineers, Indian Institute of Engineers? All these are professional associations. They create codes. One. Second, corporate codes. Codes created by departments. अच्छा सरकार में आने के बाद होगा क्या कि suppose if you're posted in Jal board, you'll be following Jal board codes. Suppose you come on railways, you'll be following railway codes. Suppose you're posted in BRO, Border Roads Organization, you'll follow their codes. So in public services, once you come into Government of India services, codes of departments becomes very important. Because आपका department जैसे जैसे बदलते जाता है आपके codes भी बदलेंगे because your job changes. You are a civil engineer, but your role is changing. Are you getting my point? Or you are a mechanical engineer, but your role is changing. So that's why in public services, आप professional association code को ही follow करोगे, your departmental codes also will follow. So two kinds of codes, professional association, departmental codes. Copy this. Okay, done, 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 done. This is professional, this is departments. Example दिया है मैंने, departments in which engineers are employed, DDA, Jal board, etc., etc. Is it over? All right, done. Chalo, next one. Now, types of codes of conduct. There are, this is match the following. I repeat, this match the following. First is this aspirational code. It tells you moral values of the profession. Aspiration, moral values of the profession. Moral values of the profession. Second, it advises you what is to be done. It tells you in a situation, ethical dilemma आपको क्या करना चाहिए. Ethical dilemma situation क्या करना चाहिए. That's advisory code. This, it tells you what are the values. Last one, disciplinary code. This is where punishment is there. Discipline is there. So there are three types of codes. Aspiration, which is about values. Advisory, it tells you इस dilemma में आपको क्या करना है. And the last one, discipline, where there's an element of punishment involved. अगर आप violate करोगे तो क्या होगा. So three types of codes. Copy this. अच्छा, ये match the following में आएगा. Okay, done. Now remember, first one is value, second one is advice, third one is discipline. There are three types of codes. And आज के दिन में हम तीनों को mix करते हैं. Today we mix up all the three. First is values, second is it tells you advice, moral judgment. मतलब क्या करना क्या है आपको. It guides you. These are values of the profession, these are guides, and the last one, discipline. The last one is discipline. Can I continue? Okay, all right, chalo. Last one, discipline. It ensures that you meet the discipline. Discipline. Keyword is discipline. It disciplines you. Ensures that behavior of all professionals meets certain values and norms, certain standards. If not, what will be the punishment? If not, discipline. It's our workplace discipline. अच्छा, these are simple, I repeat, Ritvik and Amit and rest of you, ये बहुत simple match the following है. Don't make a mistake in the exam. Aspiration means values, advice means क्या करना है, guide, discipline means punishment. Remember that something. Simple. Aspiration means values, aspirations values, advice is क्या करना है, guides that is, this is punishment, discipline. सात्विक, अभी मैं यहां पर हूं, सात्विक 10 मिनट के लिए भी और हूं, चिंता मत करो. Okay. I'm sure you must have copied this. Let's go to the last one. Okay. This section is, यहां से आपको कुछ याद नहीं करना है. It's just for reference. So you don't need to copy this. You just need to understand it. I repeat, you don't need to copy it. You need to understand it. Please remember, this is a section which you have to understand. Copy नहीं करना है आपको. But if you still feel like copying something, तो बाद में कर लेना. But you need to understand something. ठीक है? This is about understanding. So let's move with this. First, code शुरू हुआ कहां से? Evolution. How did it all start? You know, the first code was written down in 1771, sorry. Code of Semetonian Society. Remember something? Codes started with Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution. Engineering codes, I repeat, engineering codes started with Industrial Revolution. जैसी फैक्ट्री शुरू हुए यूरोप में, कोड्स भी शुरू हुए. So 1771 was the first code written down. Second, 1900 के बाद से 1900 के बाद से 20th century के शुरुआत से new engineering disciplines came in. अच्छा, if you look at 21st century, we have a lot of new disciplines. We have now codes for software engineers. We have codes for genetic engineers. So 1900 के बाद से क्या हुआ? New kind of engineers started coming in. And most importantly, engineering became big. Engineering seriously became big after 1900s. And slowly as it became bigger, new codes, professional codes came to be developed in US. New codes came in. Because 1900 we entered the second stage of industrial revolution. Massive. Engineering expanded, engineering colleges came by, profession as a profession expanded big. So codes came to be much more concrete now. Now everything changed after Second World War. Second World War. Second World War was a turning point in engineering history. Listen to me, I didn't say human history, engineering history. Because Second World War में हुआ क्या? Second World War में हुआ क्या? Suddenly the world started seeing the ugly side of engineering. Ugly side of engineering. If you look at all the worst things that were all created by engineers. Bombs हमने बनाया. Yes, technologists and engineers, we created the bombs. We built concentration camps. We built guns. And लोगों ने क्या किया? इसको compare किया. Engineers got compared to doctors. Red Cross was doing such good work in war. And on the other side, engineers became killers. So engineering after Second World War started changing. World War II changed the perception because World War II में ये हुआ. See, this is a gas chamber where Jews were killed. Yeah, civil engineer created it. So what I'm trying to tell you here is Second World War changed everything. Second World War से पहले engineering codes होते थे. But it was not that strict. But World War II के बाद everything changed. Please remember, आपको copy नहीं करना है, आपको समझना है. First code Industrial Revolution के साथ 1771. But the biggest change happened after Second World War. Because Second World War, engineers played a role of a destroyer rather than a creator. We didn't use our knowledge very well. We didn't. We used knowledge for wrong reasons. That's why after Second World War, Ritvik has a question, why codes for software engineers? बहुत software engineer अपने engineering knowledge को गलत इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. They can create malwares, they can create worms. यार ICT में पढ़ा होगा. Now, this is where it started. 1950, this is a landmark time. 1950, ये आप लिख लो. This will be something very important. 1950 में, after World War II, in 1950, German engineers were the first. German engineers created a code which was not only for engineering profession but also उसमें बहुत बड़ी एक चीज ऐड कर दी. First, engineers should not work. Look at this. Engineers should not work for those who fail to respect human rights. इसको मत कॉपी करना, इसको कॉपी करना. Engineers should not work for those who fail to respect human rights. पहली चीज. So that means engineers cannot work with human violators. Second part, duty of the engineers to serve the public interest was specially stressed. Safety, health and welfare of the public. Please copy this. This will be important for your exam. कोड्स का हिस्ट्री को छोड़ दो, ये कॉपी करो. पोस्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर टू. प्लीज रिमेंबर, इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के साथ कोड शुरू हुआ, बट एवरीथिंग चेंज्ड आफ्टर सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद दो बड़ी चीजें इंट्रोड्यूस की गई. वर्किंग फॉर इंजीनियर्स शुड नॉट वर्क फॉर ह्यूमन राइट्स अब्यूजर्स. Engineers have a duty to serve public interest. Very, very big. The public aspect got added to engineering. Gurdeep, कहाँ हो? Done. Okay, Kasturi, thank you. Okay, next one. Now, we don't need to copy this. Now, these are the basic bodies in the world today, professional associations. Don't copy this. Don't copy this. Don't copy this. These are the basic associations, world's popular associations. NSPE, National Society of Professional Engineering, ASCII, Americans of Mechanical Engineers, FANI. All these are the basic bodies in the world today, which create codes for engineers. And in India, we have Institution of Engineers, which is the oldest body. We'll talk about that. And jitne bhi codes hai, don't copy this. जितने भी कोड्स है वर्ल्ड ओवर इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया, वर्ल्ड ओवर जितने भी कोड्स है, all the codes fall to three domains. One is integrity. Codes talk about integrity. Codes talk about honesty. Codes talk about competency. And codes talk about obligation to the department and stakeholders. And last one, responsibility to public and safety. So three चीजें. You have to copy this, understand this. इसको copy करना है. Codes always focus on three things: your competency, your obligations, your responsibility towards public and society. Three very important things. All the codes, world over, all the codes focus on three things: your competency, your obligation, and your responsibility. Copy this. Yes, Rohan, engineers are punished. सच कहूं अपने इंजीनियर होने पर प्राउड होता है. वेरी गुड निष्ठा, प्राउड होना चाहिए, प्राउड होना चाहिए. वन शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ आवर एजुकेशन. अच्छा, इसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कोड्स. उसको कॉपी नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस इन कोड्स. एग्जांपल्स. Once you're done, let me know. We are another 5 minutes. We are done with the course. 5 minutes or we are closing. Done. Okay, Kasturi. Thank you. Now, if you look at integrity, look at this. NSP says engineers shall perform services only in area of competence. This is the Institution of Engineers, India. It also says high degree of honesty and personal integrity. So if you, I'm just comparing, isko copy nahi karna. NSP, America says competency. Even India also, competency. India also talks about competency. So kindly remember this. So everywhere in the world, codes will focus on competency. Second one, if you look at obligation towards clients, and this is NSP. NSP says engineers shall not disclose without consent. That is confidentiality. Confidentiality. It's the same thing. Shall act faithfully as trustees of the employer. So in other words, second aspect is engineers' responsibility, obligation to the department, obligation to the client, obligation to the company. First is competency, second is obligation. Third one is this. We don't need to copy this. Third one, social responsibility towards public. Look at NSP says, ensure safety, health and welfare. India ka dekho, Institute of Engineers. Respect local customs, uphold human rights, safeguard public property, observe violence. This is what this is. So if you look at codes everywhere, you don't need to learn this. Understand something. Codes kahin ka bhi ho, they'll focus on three things: competence, obligation to the company stakeholders, and third one, social responsibility, public safety, human rights, all that comes the third one. This is what the course is all about. And with this, we can close. And I hope you understood the whole thing. Okay. When you're preparing for this paper, you have my phone number, you have my contact details. If you have any doubts, feel free to get in touch. Feel free. All right. And feel free to get in touch anytime. Not an issue at all. Okay. And when you're revising it, abhi revise karne ki zarurat nahi hogi because it's all fresh in your head. You can revise it couple of days later. 3-4 din baad karna. Because right now it's all fresh in your head. So don't bother too much about it. All right. Chalo guys. With this we can stop. And remember three things. Codes are about competence, obligations, social responsibility. Done. Chalo. So with this, my best wishes, my blessings, and thank you for being there. Thank you for giving me your time. And I'm sorry if in case by any chance if I hurt your sentiments, if I did something wrong, I'm so sorry about it. That's my usual thing. I like to seek forgiveness also. Forgiveness is not about forgiving others. It's also about seeking forgiveness. I taught you forgiveness, right? So it's about that also. All right, people. Chalo, bye. Thank you. Gurdeep, most welcome, bache. Tushar, Gurdeep, thank you so much. Amit, thank you. Thank you, Jungshi, all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you. Manoj, thanks you. Thank you for the love, for the wishes. Ritvik, Satvik, RP, Nishtha, thank you, bache. Kesha, Meena, thank you all. Shaurya, thank you. Bye bye.